Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about the flip top bottle. So you're just starting out your window cleaning business, and another one of the tools that you're going to want to know about is the flip top bottle. So this bottle is a very big deal. It is definitely a gold nugget of information. I can't tell you how much this bottle has changed my business. You would think that something as simple as a bottle would not be a game changer, but it really is. Much like the white scrubbing pad, this was another one of those items that I discovered along the way that I did not know about when I first started window cleaning. I went several years not knowing about this flip top bottle idea, and so I'm sharing that with you here today. So once again, I'm going to help you leapfrog the competition and get up to speed with window cleaners like myself who've been window cleaning for over 10 years. This is just going to help speed up your game that much faster and start making you money that much faster and get you to $100,000 or more a year in window cleaning. So let's get started with the flip top bottle. So what's so great about this bottle is the fact that one, I've filled this bottle with my window cleaning solution, and two, it's got this little flip top here. And what's nice about this is that when you are going into a customer's home and you have emptied out your holster bucket, you've wrung out your washing wand, which is all the things you want to do to help prevent dripping, and you go in, you start cleaning windows. Well, what would happen if you didn't have this bottle was you start cleaning windows and you get through about 3 or 4 windows. The next thing you know, your washing wand is drying out, and the water on the glass is drying out quickly because you don't have enough water in your washing wand. So it's kind of like this dilemma. Well, I need to wring out my washing wand and empty out my bucket so it's not being a drip problem. But at the same time, now I have to go back and forth to the front door, dip my wand, wring it out, put it back in my thing, come back to where I was, keep cleaning. That adds up in a lot of time, a lot of back and forth, and a lot of energy. So to avoid that, you have this bottle with the flip top. You can get the little holster for this that hangs on the back of your utility belt. You can put your bottle in there, or you can just simply carry it with you as you go into the house. If you don't have that option, if you don't have the utility belt option, you can just carry it in with you, go to your first window, set it down, pull up, hopefully, though the blinds should already be up, so you don't even have to set it down. You walk up, grab your washing wand, flip the top, then you're gonna put that, I'm not gonna do it here on camera, but you can see in one of my other videos where I actually do the process, but you're gonna put it up against the window, let it run down the window, hit your washing wand, then bam, wash the window. Okay, that's what's great about this. And then you're never running out of water on your washing wand. So then you're gonna go ahead and clean a few windows. You're gonna notice your washing wand starting to get kind of dry again. You pop this out again, do it again. So then you always have a supply of water that's not gonna be a problem. Your washing wand's not gonna be soaking wet. Your bucket's not gonna be full of water. And this bottle, if it tips over, it's barely gonna drip anything out of this thing. And so this is perfect. This is a time saver. This is a golden nugget. I hope you can appreciate just how important this is. And it's probably kind of hard for you to appreciate that just hearing the video, but if you've been window cleaning for a while and you're just now learning about this, you will definitely appreciate this. If you're a beginner, you might not really get that appreciation, but just trust me, if you had gone several years without this, not knowing about this, you would greatly appreciate this little bit of knowledge here that I'm sharing with you. It is a big deal. So if you're interested in this product, I have had a little bit of a hard time trying to find this product online. Surprisingly, you wouldn't think it would be that difficult, but I have found a bottle with a flip top that's very similar to this that should just work just as well, just as fine. And so I've left a link for you down in the description down below as to where you can find one of these with the flip top to use in your window cleaning business. You can also go to windowcleaningdude.com and you can find a link there as well as all the other products and all the other gold nugget tip idea products that I recommend that you buy for your window cleaning business, and all the regular products that you should buy for your window cleaning business. It's all there on windowcleaningdude.com with links to where to find these products and purchase for your business, as well as all the other great information I have for you there for free, teaching you how to start your window cleaning business from beginning to end, how to use the products, how to do the whole process, It's all there for you. It's basically a business in a box. It's a free franchise for you to learn window cleaning at windowcleaningdude.com. If you enjoyed this video, found this information useful, please give me the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel here and be part of the window cleaning community and show YouTube that you do appreciate these videos. Don't forget to comment down below on anything else you want to know about in terms of window cleaning, or the different bottle types I guess you could choose from. And then ring the notification bell for any upcoming videos. And I will see you in the next episode.